Hey there! Today, I'll show you how to remove an image watermark in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, click on Upload, then select Upload Files to choose the image with the watermark you want to remove. You'll notice the watermark at the bottom right corner of the image. Next, click on Edit Image. On the right side, under Magic Studio, click on Magic Eraser. Adjust the brush size according to your needs. Now, on the image on the right side, start erasing the watermark by brushing over it. Then, click on Erase. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If it's not completely clean, you can repeat the process as needed. And there you have it. The watermark has been successfully removed. Thanks for watching.